Alright, Chris, here's your little 347. All four, your restrictions coming in, set of RS casket. You got your manifold on there. Custom grind camshaft. We kind of took some cam out of it so you had the higher vacuum you wanted. We'll go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3400, it is 413 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 418, peak horsepower 400. So it's a 425 version with less camshaft. So everything runs good. Just pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things when you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. The crate will be the spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.